Reflex WMS Online Training. Introduction to Reflex WMS. Reflex Warehouse Management System (WMS) is a comprehensive software solution designed to optimize and streamline warehouse operations. It provides businesses with the tools they need to efficiently manage inventory, space, labor, and workflows within their warehouse. Reflex WMS and its key features. Inventory management. Reflex WMS offers real-time visibility into inventory levels, locations, and movements. It enables businesses to accurately track stock levels, manage stock rotation, and reduce the risk of stockouts or overstocking. Warehouse optimization. The system helps optimize warehouse layout and storage strategies to maximize space utilization and improve efficiency. It supports various storage methods such as bulk storage, bin locations, and dynamic slotting to ensure optimal use of available space. Order fulfillment. Reflex WMS streamlines order picking, packing, and shipping processes to accelerate order fulfillment. It provides functionalities for order batching, with picking, and route optimization to minimize travel time and increase productivity. RFID and barcode integration. The system integrates with RFID and barcode technology for efficient item tracking and inventory management. This integration enables fast and accurate data capture, reducing errors and improving inventory accuracy. Labor management. Reflex WMS includes labor management features to optimize workforce productivity and performance. It helps businesses track labor hours, monitor employee performance, and allocate resources effectively to meet demand fluctuations. Reporting and analytics. The system offers robust reporting and analytics capabilities to provide insights into warehouse operations. Users can generate customizable reports on key performance indicators, KPIs, such as inventory turnover, order accuracy, and picking efficiency, to support data-driven decision-making. Integration capabilities. Reflex WMS can integrate with other business systems such as ERP, enterprise resource planning, transportation management, and order management systems to create a seamless flow of data across the supply chain. Scalability and flexibility. Whether you operate a small warehouse or a large distribution center, Reflex WMS is designed to scale with your business needs. It offers flexibility to adapt to changing requirements and supports multiple warehouse, locations, and workflows. What is Reflex WMS and its core functions? Reflex Warehouse Management System (WMS) is a software solution designed to optimize and streamline warehouse operations. Its core functions typically include inventory management. Reflex WMS allows users to efficiently manage inventory levels by tracking stock quantities, locations, and movements within the warehouse. This includes receiving, put-away, picking, packing, and shipping of goods. Order management. It facilitates the management of customer orders from receipt to fulfillment. This includes order processing, picking strategies, such as wave picking or batch picking, packing, and shipping. Warehouse layout optimization. Reflex WMS helps in optimizing the layout of the warehouse to maximize space utilization and efficiency. It provides tools for defining storage locations, configuring pick paths, and organizing inventory based on factors like demand, size, and weight. RFID and barcode integration. The system integrates with RFID, radio frequency identification, and barcode technologies to automate data capture and improve accuracy in tracking inventory movements and transactions. Real-time visibility. Reflex WMS offers real-time visibility into warehouse operations, allowing users to monitor inventory levels, order statuses, and overall performance. This enables better decision-making and responsiveness to changing demand or circumstances. Labor management. It includes features for managing warehouse staff, such as assigning tasks, tracking productivity, and optimizing labor resources to meet operational goals. Reporting and analytics. The system generates reports and provides analytics to help users analyze warehouse performance, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions for process improvement and resource allocation. Integration with other systems. Reflex WMS can integrate with other enterprise systems such as ERP, enterprise resource planning, transportation management, and supply chain management systems to facilitate seamless data exchange and end-to-end visibility across the supply chain. How does Reflex WMS improve warehouse efficiency? Streamline processes. By automating manual processes such as receiving, picking, packing, and shipping, Reflex WMS streamlines warehouse operations. Automated processes reduce the likelihood of errors and increase overall efficiency. Order accuracy. Reflex WMS employs barcode scanning and RFID technology to ensure order accuracy. By accurately tracking items throughout the fulfillment process, it reduces picking errors and improves order accuracy. Labor management. Reflex WMS includes labor management features that help optimize workforce productivity. It provides insights into employee performance, task allocation, and resource utilization, allowing managers to make data-driven decisions to improve efficiency. Integration capabilities. Reflex WMS integrates seamlessly with other systems such as ERP, enterprise resource planning, transportation management, and order management systems. This integration enables data sharing and process synchronization across the supply chain, further enhancing efficiency. Performance monitoring. Reflex WMS monitors key performance indicators, KPIs, such as order cycle time, fill rate, and on-time delivery. By tracking these metrics in real time, warehouse managers can identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies and take proactive measures to address them. Scalability. Reflex WMS is designed to scale with the growing needs of the business. Whether managing a single warehouse or a network of facilities, the system can accommodate increased transaction volumes and storage requirements without compromising performance. How does Reflex WMS enhance inventory management? Reflex Warehouse Management System (WMS) enhances inventory management in several ways. Real-time visibility. Reflex WMS provides real-time visibility into inventory levels, locations, and movements. This visibility helps in better decision-making, such as replenishment, order fulfillment, and inventory optimization. Inventory accuracy. By automating data capture and tracking inventory movements, Reflex WMS improves inventory accuracy. This reduces errors such as stockouts, overstocking, and discrepancies between physical and system inventory. Efficient warehouse operations. Reflex WMS optimizes warehouse processes such as receiving, put away, picking, packing, and shipping. By streamlining these operations, it increases efficiency, reduces cycle times, and lowers operational costs. Order fulfillment optimization, with features like wave picking, zone picking, and batch picking, Reflex WMS optimizes order fulfillment processes. It enables faster and more accurate picking, reducing order processing times and improving customer satisfaction. Inventory tracking. Reflex WMS provides granular inventory tracking, allowing businesses to trace products throughout the supply chain. This is particularly beneficial for industries with stringent regulatory requirements or those dealing with perishable or high-value goods. Demand forecasting and planning. By analyzing historical data and trends, Reflex WMS supports demand forecasting and inventory planning. This helps businesses anticipate demand fluctuations, optimize inventory levels, and minimize stockouts or excess inventory. Integration capabilities. Reflex WMS integrates with other enterprise systems such as ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, CRM, Customer Relationship Management, and SCM, Supply Chain Management, systems. This seamless integration ensures data consistency across different functions and improves overall business efficiency. What industries benefit most from Reflex WMS implementation? Reflex Warehouse Management System (WMS) implementation can benefit various industries, particularly those with complex warehousing and distribution operations. Some industries that benefit the most include retail. Retailers often deal with high volumes of inventory, frequent shipments, and varying demand patterns. Reflex WMS can help streamline order processing, inventory management, and improve overall efficiency in handling goods. Manufacturing. Manufacturing companies require efficient management of raw materials, work-in-progress inventory, and finished goods. Reflex WMS can optimize inventory levels, reduce stockouts, and improve production efficiency by ensuring materials are available when needed. Logistics and distribution. Logistics and distribution companies manage the movement of goods across various stages of the supply chain. Reflex WMS can enhance order fulfillment processes, improve inventory accuracy, and increase productivity in picking, packing, and shipping operations. E-commerce. With the growth of online shopping, e-commerce businesses face challenges in managing large inventories, handling returns, and meeting customer expectations for fast order fulfillment. Reflex WMS can help e-commerce companies streamline their warehouse operations, reduce order processing times, and improve customer satisfaction. 3PL, third-party logistics providers. 3PL providers manage logistics and supply chain operations on behalf of other companies. Reflex WMS can enable 3PL providers to offer value-added services such as inventory visibility, real-time tracking, and customized reporting to their clients. Food and beverage. The food and beverage industry requires strict inventory control, compliance with food safety regulations, and efficient order fulfillment processes. Reflex WMS can help food and beverage companies manage perishable inventory, maintain traceability, and ensure product freshness through optimized storage and picking strategies. What are the steps involved in implementing Reflex WMS? Assessment and planning. Evaluate your current warehouse operations, including processes, systems, and infrastructure. Define your business requirements and goals for implementing a WMS. Create a project plan outlining key milestones, timelines, and responsibilities. Software selection. Research and evaluate different WMS options, including Reflex, to find the best fit for your organization's needs. Consider factors such as scalability, customization options, integration capabilities, and vendor support. Select the WMS solution that aligns most closely with your requirements and budget. Configuration and customization. Work with the WMS vendor or implementation partner to configure the software to meet your specific business processes and workflows. Customize the system as needed to accommodate unique requirements or industry-specific regulations. Test the configured system thoroughly to ensure it meets your expectations and functions as intended. Data migration. Transfer existing data from your legacy systems, such as inventory records, customer information, and transaction history, to the new WMS. Cleanse and validate data to ensure accuracy and consistency within the new system. Integration. Integrate the WMS with other enterprise systems such as ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, TMS, Transportation Management System, or MES, Manufacturing Execution System, to facilitate seamless data exchange and end-to-end process automation. Develop and test interfaces or APIs, application programming interfaces, to enable communication between the WMS and other systems. How does Reflex WMS integrate with existing systems? Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, systems. Integration with ERP systems allows for the exchange of critical data related to inventory management, order processing, financials, and customer information. This integration ensures that the WMS has accurate information about inventory levels, orders, and customer details. Transportation Management Systems, TMS. Integration with TMS enables better coordination between warehouse operations and transportation activities. It ensures that the WMS has visibility into inbound and outbound shipments, carrier information, and delivery schedules to optimize warehouse processes accordingly. Supplier and vendor systems. Integration with supplier and vendor systems facilitates seamless communication for order fulfillment, procurement, and inventory replenishment. This integration enables automatic updates of purchase orders, delivery schedules, and product availability information. Electronic Data Interchange, EDI. Many businesses use EDI to exchange business documents, such as purchase orders, invoices, and shipping notices, in a standardized electronic format. Reflex WMS can integrate with EDI systems to automate the exchange of these documents between trading partners, streamlining order processing and fulfillment. E-commerce platforms. For businesses selling products online, integration with e-commerce platforms is crucial. Reflex WMS can integrate with platforms like Shopify, Magento, or WooCommerce to synchronize inventory levels, manage order processing, and update product information in real time across multiple sales channels. Barcode and RFID systems. Integration with barcode and RFID systems enables efficient tracking and tracing of inventory within the warehouse. Reflex WMS can integrate with hardware devices such as barcode scanners and RFID readers to capture data accurately and update inventory records in real time. What are the key challenges in implementing Reflex WMS? Reflex Warehouse Management System (WMS) is a sophisticated software solution designed to streamline warehouse operations, optimize inventory management, and enhance overall efficiency. However, like any complex system implementation, there are several key challenges that organizations may encounter. Integration with existing systems. One of the primary challenges is integrating Reflex WMS with existing systems such as Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) systems, Transportation Management Systems (TMS), or other software applications. Ensuring seamless data flow and compatibility between different systems can be complex and time-consuming. Customization and configuration. Reflex WMS may need to be customized or configured to meet the specific needs and processes of the organization. This customization process can be intricate and may require significant resources, including time, expertise, and financial investment. Data accuracy and integrity. Maintaining accurate and consistent data is crucial for the effective functioning of any WMS. Data integrity issues such as inaccurate inventory counts, discrepancies between systems, or data corruption can lead to operational disruptions and errors in decision-making. User training and adoption. Implementing Reflex WMS involves training users on how to effectively use the system. Resistance to change and inadequate training can hinder user adoption and lead to underutilization of the system's capabilities. Scalability. As the organization grows or experiences fluctuations in demand, Reflex WMS should be able to scale accordingly to accommodate increased inventory volumes, transactions, and users. Ensuring scalability without compromising performance can be challenging. Hardware and infrastructure requirements. Reflex WMS may have specific hardware and infrastructure requirements to operate efficiently. Ensuring that the organization's infrastructure meets these requirements, including network bandwidth, server capacity, and hardware compatibility, is essential. Regulatory compliance. Depending on the industry and geographic location, warehouse may need to comply with various regulatory requirements related to inventory management, data privacy, and safety standards. Ensuring that Reflex WMS supports compliance with these regulations is crucial. Change management. Implementing a new WMS often requires significant changes to existing processes, workflows, and organizational culture. Effective change management strategies are essential to minimize resistance, address concerns, and facilitate a smooth transition. Continuous improvement. After implementation, ongoing maintenance, support, and continuous improvement efforts are necessary to ensure that Reflex WMS continues to meet the evolving needs of the organization and leverage new technological advancements. What security measures does Reflex WMS implement? User authentication. Reflex WMS usually requires users to authenticate themselves before accessing the system. This authentication may involve username-password combinations, biometric authentication, or multi-factor authentication for added security. Role-based access control. RBAC allows administrators to define roles and permissions for different users or user groups. This ensures that users only have access to the functionalities and data that are relevant to their roles within the organization. Data encryption. Reflex WMS often encrypts sensitive data both in transit and at rest. This encryption helps protect data from unauthorized access or interception by encrypting it using cryptographic algorithms. Audit trails and logging. Reflex WMS may maintain detailed audit trails and logs of user activities within the system. This enables administrators to track user actions, detect suspicious behavior, and investigate security incidents if necessary. Firewalls and network security. Reflex WMS may be deployed behind firewalls and other network security measures to protect it from unauthorized access and cyber threats from the Internet. Regular security updates and patch management. The vendor of Reflex WMS typically releases regular updates and patches to address security vulnerabilities and enhance system security. It's important for organizations to apply these updates promptly to mitigate potential security risks. Secure APIs and integrations. If Reflex WMS integrates with other systems or applications, it ensures that these integrations are conducted securely, often through the use of secure APIs, application programming interfaces, and authentication mechanisms. Physical security measures. Physical security measures may also be implemented to protect the servers and infrastructure hosting Reflex WMS, including access controls, surveillance systems, and environmental controls. Disaster recovery and business continuity. Reflex WMS often incorporates disaster recovery and business continuity measures to ensure that data remains available and secure in the event of unexpected incidents such as natural disasters or hardware failures. Security awareness training. Organizations using Reflex WMS typically provide security awareness training to users to educate them about security best practices, phishing awareness, and the importance of safeguarding sensitive information. How does Reflex WMS adapt to changing business needs? Scalability. Reflex WMS is built to accommodate growth. As a business expands, whether it's in terms of volume, number of SKUs, or locations, Reflex WMS can scale up to meet these demands. It can handle larger inventories and more complex operations without significant disruptions. Configurability. Reflex WMS offers a high level of configurability, allowing businesses to tailor the system to their specific requirements. This means that as business needs evolve, the WMS can be adjusted accordingly. Whether it's changing workflows, adding new processes, or integrating with different technologies, Reflex WMS can be configured to adapt. Integration. Reflex WMS is designed to integrate seamlessly with other systems and technologies commonly used in warehouse and distribution centers, such as ERP systems, transportation management systems, TMS, and e-commerce platforms. This integration capability enables businesses to adapt to changes in their IT landscape without overhauling their entire infrastructure. Real-time visibility. Reflex WMS provides real-time visibility into inventory, orders, and operations. This visibility allows businesses to make informed decisions quickly in response to changing demand, customer preferences, or market conditions. By having up-to-date information at their fingertips, businesses can adapt their strategies and tactics as needed. Analytics and reporting. Reflex WMS offers robust analytics and reporting capabilities, allowing businesses to analyze trends, identify bottlenecks, and make data-driven decisions. By monitoring key performance indicators, KPIs, and generating actionable insights, businesses can continuously improve their operations and adapt to changing business needs more effectively. Support and updates. Reflex WMS vendor provides ongoing support and regular updates to the software. This ensures that businesses always have access to the latest features, improvements, and security patches. As business needs evolve, these updates can include new functionalities or enhancements that further enhance the system's ability to adapt. Why choose Reflex WMS? Robust functionality. Reflex WMS provides comprehensive functionality to manage every aspect of warehouse operations, including inventory management, order fulfillment, receiving, picking, packing, and shipping. Scalability. It can scale to meet the needs of warehouse of all sizes, from small businesses to large enterprises, allowing for growth without the need to switch to a different system. Integration. Reflex WMS integrates seamlessly with other business systems such as ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, CRM, Customer Relationship Management, and e-commerce platforms, ensuring smooth data flow and real-time visibility across the organization. Automation. The system supports automation technologies such as RFID, radio frequency identification, barcode scanning, and robotics, enabling greater efficiency and accuracy in warehouse operations. Real-time visibility. With Reflex WMS, users can access real-time data on inventory levels, order statuses, and warehouse performance metrics, empowering informed decision-making and enhancing responsiveness to customer needs. Optimization tools. It offers tools for optimizing warehouse layout, inventory storage, and picking routes, helping to minimize labor costs, reduce fulfillment times, and improve overall productivity. Customization. Reflex WMS can be customized to align with specific business processes and requirements, ensuring that the system adapts to the unique needs of each warehouse operation. Support and training. The provider offers comprehensive support services and training programs to help users get the most out of the system and address any issues that may arise. Proven track record. Reflex WMS has a proven track record of successful implementations across various industries, demonstrating its reliability and effectiveness in optimizing warehouse operations. Compliance and security. The system adheres to industry standards and regulations, providing peace of mind in terms of data security and regulatory compliance. Advantages of Reflex WMS online training. Convenience. Participants can access training materials from anywhere with an internet connection. This eliminates the need for travel and allows individuals to learn at their own pace, fitting training around their schedule. Cost-effective. Online training often costs less than in-person alternatives. There are no expenses associated with travel, accommodation, or venue hire, making it a more affordable option for both individuals and organizations. Scalability. Online training can easily accommodate varying numbers of participants, making it suitable for small teams as well as large organizations. This scalability ensures that training can be rolled out efficiently across the entire workforce. Flexibility: participants can pause, rewind, and review training materials as needed, ensuring a thorough understanding of the Reflex WMS system. This flexibility allows individuals to learn at their own pace and revisit concepts that may require further clarification. Access to experts: online training programs often feature experienced instructors who are experts in Reflex WMS. Participants can benefit from their knowledge and expertise, gaining insights and best practices directly from those with practical experience using the system. Interactive learning: many online training platforms incorporate interactive elements such as quizzes, simulations, and hands-on exercises. These activities help reinforce learning and allow participants to apply their knowledge in a practical context. Self-paced learning: online training allows participants to progress through the material at their own speed. This flexibility accommodates different learning styles and ensures that individuals can focus on areas where they need the most support. Up-to-date content: online training materials can be easily updated to reflect changes or new features in Reflex WMS. This ensures that participants have access to the most current information, maximizing the value of the training program. Career opportunities in Reflex WMS. Implementation consultant: implementation consultants work with clients to understand their business needs and configure Reflex WMS to meet those requirements. They also provide training and support during the implementation process. Support specialist: support specialists provide technical assistance to Reflex WMS users, troubleshooting issues and providing solutions to ensure smooth operation of the system. Sales representative: sales representatives sell Reflex WMS to potential clients, understanding their needs and demonstrating how the software can benefit their business. Project manager: project managers oversee the implementation of Reflex WMS for clients, coordinating resources and ensuring that projects are completed on time and within budget. Software developer engineer: software developers and engineers work on developing and improving Reflex WMS, adding new features and functionality to meet evolving customer needs. Business analyst: business analysts gather and analyze data to understand business processes and identify opportunities for improvement using Reflex WMS. Quality assurance specialist: quality assurance specialists test Reflex WMS to ensure that it meets quality standards and functions correctly before being released to clients. Logistics supply chain manager: professionals with expertise in logistics and supply chain management can leverage their knowledge of Reflex WMS to optimize warehouse operations and improve efficiency. Training specialist: training specialists develop training materials and conduct training sessions to educate users on how to effectively use Reflex WMS. Consulting services: consulting firms specializing in logistics and supply chain management may offer services related to Reflex WMS, providing strategic advice and guidance to clients on how to best utilize the software. Salary expectation in Reflex WMS. Salaries in Reflex Warehouse Management System (WMS) in India can vary based on factors like experience, location, company size, and specific job role. However, to give you a general idea, entry-level positions such as WMS support analyst or junior WMS developer might have a salary range of 3 lakhs rupee to 6 lakhs rupee per annum. Mid-level roles like WMS implementation consultant or senior WMS developer could range from 6 lakhs rupee to 12 lakhs rupee per annum. Senior positions such as WMS project manager or WMS solution architect might command salaries upwards of 12 lakhs rupee per annum. These figures are approximate and can vary significantly based on individual circumstances and negotiation skills. Why choose ProExcellency for Reflex WMS online training? Expertise. ProExcellency likely has a team of experienced trainers who are experts in Reflex WMS. Their knowledge and experience can ensure comprehensive and effective training. Customized training. ProExcellency may offer customized training programs tailored to the specific needs and requirements of your organization. This ensures that the training aligns perfectly with your business processes. Flexible learning. Online training with ProExcellency provides flexibility in terms of timing and location. Participants can access the training modules from anywhere with an internet connection, allowing them to learn at their own pace. Cost-effective. Online training often proves to be more cost-effective compared to traditional classroom-based training. There are no travel expenses involved, and resources can be accessed multiple times, reducing the overall training costs. Continuous support. ProExcellency may provide ongoing support even after the training sessions are complete. This could include access to additional resources, Q&A sessions, or troubleshooting assistance. Certification. Completing training with ProExcellency might come with certification, which can add value to the resumes of participants and validate their proficiency in Reflex WMS. Positive reputation. If ProExcellency has a positive reputation in the industry for delivering high-quality training, it's likely that they have earned it through consistently meeting or exceeding client expectations. Thank you.